would now like to invite Mr. Harish Narsatta, partner from Samvad Patra, to deliver the welcome address of the symposium.
Thank you, Kashish, and the editorial team at NLSIR and the faculty members of NLSIU. Samvad is very happy to be associated with this event for the last few years. We firmly believe that lawyers need to have a societal context. Otherwise, it will be like operating in a vacuum and interpreting words on paper. It's only when there is a societal context to the law that we are able to give full meaning to the purpose and intent of the law. The founders of the National Law School, led by Professor Menon and his team, his faculty team, believed strongly in interdisciplinary research and interaction. And that encouraged all of us as students to focus on this interdisciplinary research and to have a strong societal orientation. That's why when the National Law School of India Review approached us a few years ago to be associated with this flagship event, we felt that we should not do it just for a year, but be associated with this for the long term. And I'm happy to note and congratulate the editorial team, not just the current editorial team, but even the past editorial teams, that they have chosen topics that are relevant to India and encouraged interdisciplinary conversation and research. The topic of today's symposium couldn't be more timely. We are in the middle of a pandemic that is probably once in a century, or the verdict is out as to whether it's once in a 500-year event, given the widespread nature of the pandemic and the number of people it has affected at one go. Certainly in this country, the last 45 days have been very sobering and has exposed our healthcare system, all facets of it, whether it's infrastructure, whether it's people, whether it's medicines, manufacturing, logistics, delivery, you name it. All facets of our healthcare system have been exposed. And while the reality of seeing our loved ones suffer, there's also a reality that the policy framework of our healthcare system is very outdated. The reaction of the government to a public healthcare crisis has essentially been to convert it into a law and order crisis, because that is the strong suit of the Indian state, because it is able to control issues surrounding law and order rather than deal with public healthcare questions in a fashion that can be emulated and learnt from other countries which have done better than us in dealing with the crisis. At the same time, it also gives us an opportunity to ask tough questions and find a way forward to some of these tough questions. All the three sessions today, the one on the clinical trials, which has had a real test, given how one of the vaccines was allowed to be used even when the phase 3 trials was not over. The debate on patents, given the international debate as to whether patents should be waived for the vaccines, or the one on universal health care, a right that our Supreme Court has read into Article 21 on many occasions. I therefore congratulate the team once more to having chosen this topic and having invited such a stellar cast of speakers, some of whom I know personally and I've interacted with many times. I would like to welcome all of you, wish the symposium all the best, and really hope that something comes out at the end of this symposium on which we can suggest actionable items to the government, so which can see the light of day. So thank you and welcome to all of you.